In this video, we will take a look at guard conditions for our workflows. I've already opened one of the trackers that we will use today. In this tracker, we will find a new item called headlight system. The current status of this item is new. We want to move it to the defined status, but before we do that, we will set up a guard condition. To start, let's open the configuration menu of the tracker. Then go to state transitions and let's select the define state transition, which moves it to the draft status. Towards the bottom, we will find an option called guard. If we hover our mouse over it, a tooltip will tell us that with the help of this guard condition, we can only execute this state transition if this guard condition is true. Let's click on add and create a new guard condition. In our drop-down list, we have various options available to set up as guard conditions. The most basic of them are fields, which means that a specific field must have a specific value in order to satisfy this guard condition. Let's take a quick look at theme as an example. Our options are changed, was, and is. If we select is, then we can select a specific theme that must be added to our item before we can move it to our next status with this state transition. Let's cancel this for now and go back to our drop-down list. The condition I will use today is the test cases for verifies. Basically, this means that the item must have a test case that verifies it before we can move forward with the state transition. Of course, that logic can be flipped and we can use has no test cases as well. Furthermore, we can refine it by selecting a specific status for the test case and due dates as well. For now, let's keep things simple and just state that we need to have a test case that verifies this work item. Click on OK, give it a name, and save it. Now let's go back to our tracker. Select the headlight system, and let's try changing the status by using the define state transition. Without editing, let's just click on save, and the interface will immediately notify us that this is not possible because the guard condition test case is not satisfied. Let's click on cancel and create a test case for this work item. For that, let's use this drop-down menu, select the test case, and without adjusting the details, let's just save it. Now we'll find that this item has a test case. So let's try the state transition again. Without adjusting the details, let's click on save. And as you may have noticed, the state transition was a success, and now this item is in the draft status.